All right, take one. Hi, I'm Jason Capps. I'm a chef and president of Bella Sara, an event venue in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I've been in business for almost 20 years now. I was born in 1969. My mother is 100% Italian. My father's side is English and Irish. My first trip internationally was at 3 months old. My parents were school teachers and they wanted to travel and teach. I fell in love with cooking at a very young age. I used to spend time at my grandparents' restaurant in South Jersey. I remember walking through the kitchen and meeting and seeing the chefs, Charlie, Herbie, and my uncle also in the kitchen. I remember lifting the ladles of the soup, asking what's in there. I think right then I knew that if I could please people with food, it would be an accomplishment. That made me realize that I wanted to be a chef, and I never really deviated from that. That was one of my earliest memories in life, let alone in being in the kitchen. I'd say my kids are my greatest accomplishments in terms of successes in life. They're my pride and joy. I can't picture my life without them. After we had Lily, we contemplated whether a second was in order, and now I couldn't think about life without Lauren either. They're special. I take them everywhere. There's places I've gone where I really wish they could be there, and so typically we end up finding a way to get there the following year or something.
My dad is really cool. He's a chef, so he makes food for us all the time. And he loves traveling, which is awesome because we get to do it with him. He's very adventurous. He goes skydiving, scuba diving, all that kind of stuff. It's really cool. I wouldn't say he's a normal dad because of all the fun stuff he does, I guess. And he's not the kind of person that likes to settle, really. He just likes to always be doing something else, do new projects, new places to go. Always wants to be on the move, I guess, yeah. We've been going to Hawaii since we were very little, but the first really far away trip was Italy. It was amazing. We absolutely love it here, so we've gone back ever since.
I think it's special because the food is a lot different and it's more like authentic, and I think it's special because my dad knows a lot of people here and it helps us get around easier and it's more fun that way.
I love the food, first of all. It's amazing just because my dad's a chef. Food's really important in a place for us, but I love just the atmosphere. The weather's really nice in the summer. And the people are amazing, they're so nice. My dad knows a lot of people too, so it's cool, and the language is really nice. We pick up a little bit each time we go. I don't really know a lot at all, but I know the simple words that I need to know. Way different than back in the United States. I mean, we always do try something new, but usually we have our set of restaurants that we go to here. And so when we walk in, it's so fun. My dad usually knows the owner, the chefs, some of the waiters even. It's just say hi, we talk to them a little bit. And most of them know a little bit of English, which is really good. And then we sit down, they know sometimes what we order. It's just so fun, you know? Back at home, we just go to a restaurant. You don't really know anyone. You don't have a conversation really as much. But here, it's just, you get to talk to them a lot. It's amazing.
I really got to understand what either true happiness is, true food, true family. Like a lot of things just clicked for me when I got to Italy. I didn't quite understand fully where my mom was coming from per se, or even my grandmother, but when I got to Italy, I understood right away. And truthfully, I couldn't wait to share it with other people.